ஹலோ நண்பா, நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் இந்த வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க. 31st October, who is appointed as the chairperson of NABFID? KV Kamath. India and which country have held their first strategic dialogue in New Delhi, Kazakhstan? Who has won the 2021 presidential election to serve for his term? Shaukat Mirziyoyev. In which city Men's Junior Hockey World Cup 2021 to take place? Bhubaneswar. What is the theme of the World Psoriasis Day 2021? Informed. Extra question from economy. Expand NRO, non-resident ordinary rupee account. 1st November. Which country has launched the military communication satellite Syracuse 4A? France. Which has become the first state in India to implement its own wildlife action plan? Maharashtra. Where will the Indian Coast Guard ship Sartag be based? Porbandar in Gujarat. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has launched Go Green scheme? Gujarat. Which organization has recently released The Changing Wealth of the Nation 2021? World Bank. Extra question of the day from GK. Expand NNP, Net National Product. 2nd November. Who has been re-elected for the post of RBI Governor? Shaktikanta Das. Which state is at the top of State Energy Efficiency Index 2020? Karnataka. Recently, the CM of which state has launched world's first FIFA for school program? Odisha. With whom has SBI General Insurance tied up to offer health insurance? With Google Pay. Which company has been awarded the Indian Green Energy Award 2021? TVS Motors. Extra question of the day from GK. What is the rank of India in global climate tech investment trade? 9th. 3rd November. Who is appointed as the new chairperson of National Company Law Appellate Tribunal NCLAT? Ashok Bhushan. The cabinet of which states has approved cash-based census? Andhra Pradesh Cabinet. DRDO and which Indian Army have successfully destroyed India's first indigenous long-range bomb? Indian Air Force. Which company has become the world's most valuable company? Microsoft. In which state Jitendra Singh dedicates Sardar Patel Leadership Center to the nation? Mussoorie. Extra question from GK. When is World Cities Day observed? 31st October. 4th November. Who has been appointed as the new Mizoram recently? Renu Sharma. Which state government announced plans to set up centers for excellence of financial technologies? Karnataka. Who has topped the rule of index 2021 of WJP recently? Denmark. Where the 7th Indian Navy frigate of P113.5.6 class has been launched in 3rd November. Kaliningrad. Indian government has signed a loan agreement of about $40 million with which bank to improve and strengthen health systems in Meghalaya? World Bank. Extra question from GK. When is the International Internet Day observed? 29th October. 5th November. Which ministry has announced Hajj 2022 at Hajj House in South Mumbai? Union Ministry of Minority Affairs. The whistleblower portal to check fraud abuse of power was launched by IREDA. Recently, who has been honored with Eluthachen Award? P. Valsala. Who will distribute the National Sports Award 2021 to the recipients? President of India. Indian Railways has made a partnership with whom to build trust in communication for passengers? Truecaller. Extra question from GK. Which lake of Kashmir had got its first open-air floating theatre? Dal Lake. 6th November. Who has become the new Director General of FICCI? Arun Chawla. According to a report of Niti Aayog, how many crore people of India do not have any health insurance? About 40 crore people. UIDAI has sought exemption for which bill from Government of India? Personal Data Protection Bill. Which country became the first to approve Novavax vaccine for COVID-19? Indonesia. According to the report of NCRB, how many children are committing suicide every day? 31 children. Extra question from sports. Who has become the first player in the world to take 100 wickets in international T20 cricket? Rashid Khan, 53 matches.